Hi everybody, in today's episode I'm just going to be having a bit of fun today. So one of the things that we tend to do as adults is we forget about life being fun and we take things very seriously. When you're young, as a child, you come into the wild and sometimes you just walk and basically fall around in the mud and jump in water puddles and things like that. But as you get older, you get a bit more serious and the fun becomes more regimented. So in today you'll see some things where there's some lovely areas where you can just get a bit muddy if you want and just enjoy yourselves. So the idea is to have playful fun. I don't want it to break.
No, I don't. I think that's too thin, Raj. I wouldn't do it on that. Yeah.
So we've come to the end of our walk today, and yes, the focus today was on play. So you saw me splashing in puddles, dancing in the water. You saw me doing a bit of brachiation. You saw me just having a bit of fun and just enjoying myself going through the woods. Some balance as well, just a few odd bits, because it wasn't the greatest weather. As you can see, it's very muddy, but it was great fun all the same. So remember, have a playful heart and enjoy your day.